Take me back to the beginning.
How did it start, Ben?
How did it start?
Well, I think we were talking to each other about something we could do together.
We started talking about podcasting, and that was because we were friends. We became friends with Brian Call, who's Gritty Bowman, and we thought that the podcast format was pretty cool, how you could reach so many people with that.
And what I thought would be really interesting is combining the world of hunters with health, which, you know, I've done a lot of hunting and she's like a health guru. So combining that, especially in the era that we're in right now with hunters, you know, we try to stay as fit as we can, we try to stay as healthy as we can, and it's kind of a world that's come together in a way. So figured combine our expertise, I guess, and put it out there.
And I thought he should just do a podcast by himself, because I thought his stories would be enough, especially with what Gritty was doing. You know, I thought, well, that would be really cool. And he said, well, I think we should do this health thing. And I said, who wants to listen to me talk about health? Like, hunters are not into that.
Who wants to hear me just tell hunting stories? There's a million guys out there that have good hunting stories.
Yeah.
So I thought, my opinion was, hunters are going to be more attracted to the healthy aspect, the healthy living, the meals, the prep, the, you know, what can make us better on the mountain. That's what I was interested in, and that's what I thought Hill could bring more to the table to my community.
Yeah.
So
that's where we started, and we just started the podcast is where we started. We launched it on Christmas Eve of 2016, and we had recorded 5 episodes with people that we liked and topics we talked about, and that's where it started.
A big one in my mouth.
Yep. She just put a big carrot in her mouth.
No, it's a strawberry.
Oh, a big strawberry. So that's where it started. Yeah.
I got GP.
I'm actually surprised it's gone so far, to be honest.
Yeah.
I didn't know it would go this far. And the only reason I say that is because we get a lot of emails and a lot of comments, and people, you know, I guess appreciating, I think, more for her advice and stuff like that. But we get a lot of emails from people that that really have taken to, like, the podcast or some of the information, especially the health topics. I think a lot of people are really interested in that, and I think it's helped a lot of people. And I think we've both found that it's, you know, you could, any given day you could get 10 emails of people thanking you for something, and, you know, prior to us doing that, you never got that before. So I can see it. I can see a lot of benefit from the information that she gives out for health. So I think, yeah, shockingly, I think a lot of people have benefited from that.
Awesome. So where's